Welcome back to my channel. We have the Subculture Dupe, and it is coming from the company Makeup Revolution. Yeah, Makeup Revolution has been like killing the game lately. I know a lot of people have been like using Makeup Revolution, but like me personally, I just really started. I've saw some stuff that I liked of theirs that I just never picked up. I don't understand why, because their stuff is very affordable. So this palette is $7 in comparison to the actual Subculture palette, which is $42, and it didn't break. As we all know here on YouTube, the Subculture palette was not working properly for some, and then you had like 5% who actually said it worked for them. So let's take 95 and then 95% and then 5%, and yeah, we're not even going to go into that. Today I'm going to do a look using this palette. So it looks like the shades in here actually have a lot more than the Subculture palette has. But who knows? I mean, like, I'm not into like doing calculations and all of that stuff. So if that's something that you want to find out, you're not going to find that out here, because I'm not in school. Like, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do that to myself. And I'm not going to act like I'm going to do it for you guys. So, Makeup Revolution London Reloaded Iconic Division palette. Very cute. And I'm going to bring it in closer for you guys to see exactly what the shades are looking like. So I'm quite sure some of the shades that you see in here look a lot similar to the Subculture palette, because it is a dupe, as I said before. But the colors in here actually looks pretty nice. I see on the end, at the bottom down here underneath where my pinky actually is here, where it's moving, you see it, the third, what is that? The third column. Yeah, the third column at the bottom, the very first shade, is black. And in the Subculture palette, I do not recall them having a black. Now, I did not buy the Subculture. So this is no shade to Anastasia and none of her peoples, but I didn't go out and buy the Subculture palette because it was too many mixed reviews. And like I said, 95% of the web was like no, and then the other 5% was like, well, it worked. And then you got other people who just recently was like, well, I don't know, they may have changed the texture or the formula or whatever because it's working now. So I don't really know. I wasn't about to risk my $42 because your girl is broke. So I'm not about to do that. So let's get into this Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to do a look for you guys. I'm also going to give you guys some swatches. Let's do swatches first, then the look afterwards. How about that? So here we have the first two rows, and I'm sorry that I'm like a lot further back, but my camera, I have to do my own like focusing and stuff like that. So yeah, but for the most part, you can definitely see the pigmentation and everything here. It looks very good. It's pretty smooth, and those shades are looking real cute. Like, I can't wait to play in it. So I am going to swatch the last row for you guys, and then I'm going to show you what that looked like as well. So my arm is pretty hairy. Yeah. Like, y'all ain't got to talk about me behind my back. But anyways, you can see that black shade on the end is very pigmented, and that's surprising for me because usually like drugstore black shades don't always work. But we do have to see how well it's going to blend, so let me not even jinx it. But these are the last shades in the last row, and I think the shades look pretty good and pigmented, so hopefully that's what they look like on my eyes. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and get right into the tutorial.
belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I do to you. But I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl,
Okay, you guys, so this is the final look that I've come up with using the Makeup Revolution Iconic Division palette. I hope that's what it is. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this review slash tutorial. Some of the shades were different, but nonetheless, like, I actually made them work. So no complaints here. Like, if I was able to make them work, then there's nothing to complain about. Some of the shades were very like smooth while applying them on the eye. As you can see throughout the video, a lot of the shades were very pigmented. Others were a lot less pigmented, I guess. But it worked out, and I am feeling this very green halo eye. So I hope that you guys like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video and if you think you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a video. And as always, stay blessed and stay beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.